Good morning, good afternoon and good evening, my friends, depending on from where you are watching me. This is your favorite channel, The Monk in Jeans, and my name is Parikshit or JC, if you wish to call me that, it's easier. Today I have come to you with a technique of manifesting your wishes as per the law of attraction. All of you know law of attraction, which says whatever you think, whatever you speak, whatever you dream and imagine, you can attract that. Because everything for us is kept somewhere, a place called vortex, and if you can generate the correct frequency, you are going to attract all that you want. So today's technique is actually very popular, and you will find thousands of videos on this. This technique is 55 by 5. Well, the one that I am bringing to you is not 55 by 5, but it's 5 by 55. You see, in 55 by 5, the generally practiced common technique to manifest your dreams and wishes and desires is to write one single sentence 55 times for 5 days. That's why it's called 55 by 5. Now what happens in my other channels, my Indian language channels, when I talked about this 55 by 5, a lot of people succeeded, but many more couldn't manifest anything because writing a sentence 55 times itself is boring. It's not very encouraging because it takes time. Because you put your mind, you concentrate on your desires, you bring up that emotion of desiring that thing or situation or whatever. So you need to put up a lot of your strength, and then also you have to write that dream of yours 55 times, which is really long. So while we write this 55 times, we generate a lot of ill feeling because we are not liking, we are not enjoying writing that sentence 55 times. We get bored and we get irritated. 55 times. We start counting. 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, 18, 20, 25. Our mind goes into counting the lines. Have we really completed 55 times? Or there is still another left, 5 left, we count, keep on counting. So our emotion of our desire, for example, if you are writing, I am very prosperous, I have just bought a car. So it needs certain emotion to be generated within you that you have really bought that car, you have really purchased that car. That emotion needs to be there in you. But our emotion gets busy with counting the 55 lines, whether we have got 55 times correctly done or written. So that's one disadvantage. You are generating a negative vibration, a negative energy. Number 2, when you write for 5 days only, it's too short a period. It's too short a period to program your subconscious. Because normally something takes around 21 days or 30 days or 35 days, 40 days, 45 days for the subconscious to record it properly and get reprogrammed so that it can guide you towards your goal or objectives. So 5 days is too short a period to write, and 55 times is too many times for something to be written one after another, the same thing to be written 55 times. So I have tweaked the system. When I analyzed all your comments, everybody's emails especially, I get more emails. Then I realized that many people cannot manifest their desire by using this technique of 55 by 5. So I wanted to try something else. You see, 555, 55 by 5 means 555. It's an angel number. It has got a certain vibration which is very powerful and it helps achieve your dreams. So I wanted to keep these frequencies, this vibration with us, 555, but I changed 55 by 5 to 5 by 55. How? I practiced writing my desire, I won't tell you which one, some desire. For example, maybe you can say, I love photography. I have bought my first DSLR camera. I love photography. I bought my first DSLR camera. I love photography. I bought my first DSLR camera. I love photography. I bought my first DSLR camera. I love photography. I bought my first DSLR camera 5 times. I wrote just 5 times, not 55 times. So I could concentrate, I could focus on my emotion, strong emotion towards that desire of the fact that I have actually bought a DSLR camera. So my concentration, my focus, my emotion is empowering my desire because I had to just write 5 times, not 55 times. And then I wrote those 5 lines for 55 days, for a long period, for a longer period, so that it got reprogrammed in my subconscious. I wrote actually something else. The DSLR camera was just an example I gave you. You can write anything. You can write about your love life. I love Katrina, she loves me. I love Katrina, she loves me. You can write it 5 times, just 5 times. You don't need to write it 55 times. Or, I love my family, I've got a beautiful daughter. I love my family, I've got a beautiful daughter, son and husband. My love life, my married life is very happy. I've got a wonderful husband. Just this one sentence, keep writing 5 times. Just 5 times a day for 55 days. You can write about your education, about your health. I keep very fit. I am feeling at the top of the world. I keep very fit. I am feeling at the top of the world. Or whatever you want to write. Whatever sentence. You can write about your education, your career. I have got a fantastic job. I earn 200,000 whatever per month. I have got a fantastic job. I earn 200,000 of whatever you can write. Or my business is doing very well. My earning is 300,000 per month. My business is doing very well. My earning is 200,000 or 300, whatever you want to write, you write. So this will help you even better because I realize that writing 55 times the same sentence is really irritating. It gives you a lot of negative feelings. However hard you try, you will have some irritation. You will get restless. You start counting. So your emotions are not going to work on your desire. Your focus will go away. So just write 5 times, but write for 55 days and then you see the magic. That's all that I wanted to tell you. Stay well. God bless you all. We'll meet again and go and get it.